Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 6 of our English speaking practice series. Today, we are going to talk about something very familiar to all of us family. In today's lesson, you will learn how to talk about your family in simple English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, "This is my father. She is my sister. I have two brothers." And "My family is small." Or "My family is big." Don't worry if your English is still very basic. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud. Let's begin. Family vocabulary. First, let's learn some important family words. Listen and repeat. Father. Your turn. Father. Again. Father. Good. Father means your male parent. Now, mother. Your turn. Mother. Again. Mother. Good. Now let's talk about children. Brother. Repeat. Brother. And sister. Repeat. Sister. Very good. Now we have father, mother, brother, sister. Let's practice them together. I say the word. You repeat. Father, mother, brother, sister. Excellent. Now let's learn two more useful words. Parents. Parents means your mother and father. Repeat. Parents. And family. Repeat. Family. Very good. Let's review. Father, mother, brother, sister, parents, family. Excellent. This is. Now let's learn our first sentence pattern. When you introduce a family member, you can say, "This is my." For example, "This is my father." Repeat, "This is my father." Good. Now, "This is my mother." Repeat, "This is my mother." Excellent. Now, "This is my brother." Repeat, "This is my brother." And "This is my sister." Repeat, "This is my sister." Very good. Let's practice all four. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my brother. This is my sister. Excellent. Now imagine you are showing a family photo to a friend. Your friend asks, "Who is he?" You can say, "He is my father." Repeat, "He is my father." And if your friend asks, "Who is she?" You can say, "She is my sister." Repeat, "She is my sister." Very good. Remember, he for a man or boy, she for a woman or girl. So, he is my father. She is my mother. He is my brother. She is my sister. I have. Now we're going to learn another very useful sentence pattern. I have. We use I have when we want to talk about the family members we have. For example, "I have one brother." Repeat, "I have one brother." Good. Here is another example. "I have two brothers." Repeat, "I have two brothers." Notice something important. One brother, one brother. Two, two brothers. We add S because there is more than one. Now let's practice. I have one sister. I have two sisters. I have one brother. I have two brothers. Excellent. Now let's make the sentences longer. I have two brothers and one sister. Repeat, "I have two brothers and one sister." Very good. Another example. I have one brother and two sisters. Repeat, "I have one brother and two sisters." Excellent. Small family or big family. Now let's talk about the size of your family. You can say, "My family is small." Repeat, "My family is small." Or, "My family is big." Repeat, "My family is big." Very easy. You can also say, "I have a small family." Repeat, "I have a small family." And, "I have a big family." Repeat, "I have a big family." Now let's put everything together. For example, "I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister." Repeat the whole sentence. "I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister." Great. Here's another example. "I have a big family. I have two brothers and three sisters." Repeat, "I have a big family. I have two brothers and three sisters." Excellent. Family conversation. Now let's practice a real conversation. Imagine you meet someone new. I'll be person A. You are person B. Listen carefully. A, "Hi. Do you have a big family?" B, "Yes, I have a big family." Good. Let's continue. "How many brothers do you have?" You can answer, I have two brothers. Repeat, I have two brothers. Now, how many sisters do you have? You can answer, I have one sister. Repeat, I have one sister. Now let's do the conversation again. I, do you have a big family? B. Yes, I have a big family. How many brothers do you have? B. I have two brothers. How many sisters do you have? B. I have one sister. Excellent. Now let's try a different conversation. Tell me about your family. You can say, my family is small. I have one brother and one sister. Repeat, my family is small. I have one brother and one sister. Excellent. Listen and repeat. Now we're going to do a quick speaking challenge. I'm going to give you sentences. Listen, then repeat them. Ready? This is my father. This is my mother. He is my brother. She is my sister. I have two brothers. I have one sister. My family is small. My family is big. I have a small family. I have a big family. Fantastic. You're doing great. Your family challenge. Now it's your turn. I want you to describe your family in English. Don't worry about making a perfect sentence. Start with, my family is small or big. Then say, I have. How many brothers? How many sisters? Then you can say, this is my father. This is my mother. He is my brother. She is my sister. Try to make 3 to 5 sentences about your family. Pause the video if you need more time. And speak out loud. Final review. Let's quickly review today's lesson. Today we learned, this is my father. This is my mother. He is my brother. She is my sister. I have two brothers. I have one sister. My family is small. My family is big. Excellent work. Don't just watch these lessons. Speak, repeat, practice. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. For today's homework, describe your family using 5 English sentences. Write your sentences in the comments and practice saying them out loud. Thank you for watching Day 6. I'll see you in Day 7. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning English. See you next time.